Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast. Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band.
Okay, yeah, there we go. It's been a while, so there you go. Okay, so we're back at it. Welcome everybody. I hope you've had a good summer. I hope you've had enjoyed the football over the summer, whether it's the Copa America or the Euros. I hope you've been enjoying the Olympics thus far. And yeah, good to be back. I've been faffing around, traveling halfway around the world and back, so took a little bit of time off, but we're back and we're in the middle of a trading competition right now with Trade the Pool, so kind of this week only. So today and tomorrow are the 4 different accounts, and that's what I'm trading at the moment, so we'll see what's going on. Oh, anyway, let's take a roll call. So, Stone Cold, how you doing, buddy? Dude, good morning to you. Lisa, thank you very much. Good morning to you as well. Hector, how you doing, buddy? Trader community, thanks for the spot of the little error. And Daryl, how you doing, buddy? Hey, Alan. So we're looking at BBLG here. Let's get rid of it. And let's just take a. So we've had the run up this morning, hit the highs, and we're looking for a move back up to the highs up here at 370s. I want to see it test 4, but let's see what happens. I am indeed, trader community. How you doing, John? Morning to you. Yeah, it's very choppy. It's very choppy. Is BBLG Born Biology uh, Corporation. Very choppy at the moment. It's not real clean moves as such. But the first move was quite clean. But apart from that, it's been difficult one to trade. Just trying to see why it's up. I'm not seeing any particular fresh catalyst. There was movement yesterday. No catalyst yesterday either. Last week, they announced that they had patients treated in multi-center prospective randomized pilot clinical study of the company's bone graft device, but that was last week, so a week ago. So don't ask me why it's moving. Let's just have a quick look at the SEC filings. Let's see if they have got a shelf and whether they're trying to got people pumping this so that they can hit the market with an offering. The S1 from March, or S3 though. S1 from March. Okay. Yeah, I've not been doing so well on the options. So I gave last night a miss on the options trades. I'll be having a go tonight though. It's just been difficult with the options. Trying to get a decent move. So I've been not losing huge amounts, just small amounts. With the earnings strangle. Usually a good strategy, but this earnings season it's not been going too well. I got Google for I got Google for $800. I got IBM for $2K. I got something on SAP. Microsoft, Starbucks, EA went last night as well. So big moves yesterday, actually. So Microsoft right now is at 419s. So it's pretty much flat from when when I took. It's actually higher than when I took the just under where I took it. Microsoft cost me quite a bit, like 20k actually, on Microsoft. Starbucks moved nicely though, and EA Sports, EA Sports is okay. That's currently at 150. So. Didn't make any money on any of those. Actually lost. So I gave it a miss yesterday. But after such a big move in the market yesterday, because it was a big move in the market yesterday. After such a big move in the market, how much is factored in? So I'll give it a miss. Hello, dog. Come on. So I thought I'd give it a miss, and then. I'll have a look tonight. We've got some big earnings tonight. Last big earnings of the week. Big earners tonight. What happens? AMD was what really set the market moving yesterday. Well, particularly the Qs, the NASDAQ, the semiconductor sector. Dude, don't blame me for your lack of discipline, buddy. Yeah, Dan, I'm currently doing a four account challenge with TTP at the moment. So that's where I am. Yeah, I think we're going to have a bullish day today. Buys up, views are up. In fact, the markets as a whole are up. Have a quick look. Tesla's slightly down by the looks of it. So Tesla's slightly down. But Nvidia's up, Amazon's up. Amazon reporting earnings this evening, by the way, along with Apple. But that could be interesting. Glad I got out of Disney when I did. Anybody seen the new Deadpool movie yet? And is it any? Don't know spoilers, please. But is it any good? R1 RCM. Let's have a look. What's going on with R1 RCM? Capital. It's an acquisition. Oh, so with the pattern there, it's an acquisition. $14 a share. So there's no opportunity there. Quiet enough morning. Yeah, it's a competition, but there's 4 different accounts. So I've got a bear run account, which is basically I'm only allowed to take short trades. Bull run account only take long trades. A penny stock account, which is I'm only allowed to take trades under $5, and a market leader, so an S&P stocks. So those are the four criteria. Yeah, it's interesting trying to manage 4 different accounts, all with different buying powers and different stock. It's interesting, but it's a challenge. RDHL at 55 cents, dude. Why are you saying that? Oh, it's up. Looking decent. Testing the highs. I don't think BBLG's done either yet, personally. I think it probably will break 4 after the bell at least. Either gap and crap or gap and go. So there you go, dude. Oh, I passed it, Dan. Passed it. Took me a while, but I got there eventually. That was the 80k. I'll concentrate on this competition today and tomorrow, and then I'll go back to that on Monday. much easier to trade that than it is to trade the 20k, that's for sure. Just the constraints around it. Absolutely, Dan. Absolutely. The, I was a little bit skeptical myself, but yeah, it's fine. The withdrawal, when I originally came across them, you were allowed to withdraw into Wise. That's gone. So there's a couple of different withdrawal paths you can take when you're funded, but Rise seems to be okay, and Rise, that's Rise with an R, Romeo, not Wise with a W for whiskey. What's happening with Moderna? EU sales, potential revenue deferrals. Okay. Q2 earnings. Moderna's down on Q2 earnings. Stock's down as well. Well, it looks to me like there's a lot of downside today. Let's see if that affects the market. So far, at least. Meta, quite a bit yesterday. A good Q2 financials. Expensive though, so I didn't trade that one. Well, there is news that you've got the usual 8:30 unemployment numbers that can move the market, dude. So we've got that to look forward to, I guess. And look at Meta. Let's put it on the 5th. So, quite big activity yesterday. Moves a lot. At 30, 40, over $42. $42. Big move. Absolutely, Dan. It's ouch. It's it's 70-30. I've got an affiliate. I'm an affiliate with them now already. So if you want to sign up, I'll get a small kickback if you wanted to sign up from the link that's in the link tree in the the description. Check them out for free. I mean, you know, sign up and get a free account. Check out the platform. See what you think. Join the Discord community. This interesting Discord community. So this is a competition account. This one Stone Cold. I've got the 80k account, which I'll be going back to on Monday. Not a lot moving right now, other than things that have moved on earnings. Actually, just underneath the close line, the profit line, red green. How's BBLG looking? Back quite a bit. Like it might be done. Although the MACD's curling up. Crossed over. Absolutely, John. You have to trade kind of micro size with the $97 account. It's very because you like what's it $500 stop loss or $300 stop loss or something with that one. It's very difficult on the daily stop loss. So you have to trade very small size. So if you go with the 80 or the 160 account, it's much easier trading now. Got a wider berth, but you still trade small. Don't the key is small consistent sizing. I don't know why, but it's got the air conditioning on as well. It's Bucks. All moves. Big mover yesterday on LSH. Or the VWAP a second time, I drop all the way. Maybe yesterday, but very quite volatile, but not great in terms of volume today. Block slightly. I think the only thing, quite a few that's selling off, so the Teledoc. Most of these are on earnings. Wayfair, Moderna, Mobileye. Not a lot of movement to the upside today. How did we get on with the jobless claims? Hold on. Right. Initial jobless claims 249,000 versus the 236,000 estimate. So higher initial jobless claims. Continuing jobless claims also higher, 1877k versus 1860k estimate. From productivity up to 2.3%. Highest. Okay. Not really market much yet. Moving the upside slightly. Why would I move to the US delusional? I think you're just saying that delusional. You've earned your name. Why on earth would I move to the US? Over the last 2 weeks, Stone Cold, not really, no. Not really done much trading since June, I think. I've just not been up for it. Not been in the right mindset for it. I'm certainly not been in the right mindset to be streaming live either, so a few issues I had to address from a personal point of view, and flying backwards and forwards. But no, I would never live in the States. MDJM. Where's it moving? Chinese. No, there's no news. It's just one of those Chinese stocks that tends to move from time to time. It spiked up after hours yesterday for some reason. It does have some big moves in its history, relatively big moves. So back at the middle of last month, moved went from a low of 119 up to 150. I'm not. Went up to 180 there. May. So yeah. The highest it's been for quite some time. But without a catalyst, not touching it. Don't trust these Chinese stocks as far as I can throw them. Belly up breaking lows. Yeah, I find it funny about the United. I don't even know why you call yourself the United States. If the one thing that you are, like you might be a country made up of states, but you're certainly not united. Right now. Two different countries, might as well be 50 different countries, John. I mean, you're United States, but I mean, you're divided on your politics, on your racial affiliation, social status, gender, political views. There's so much bilateral conflict across the US. It's like you're looking for ways to hate the person next to you, as opposed to looking for ways to get on. The United Kingdom is slightly different. There's actually 4 kingdoms that are united under one sovereign. So it's slightly different terminology. But it is united because they're united under one single sovereign. 4 different kingdoms. 4 different countries actually. But you know, the Irish hate the English, the Welsh hate the English, the Scots hate the English. The Irish and the Scots get on well, but they have a rivalry over whiskey. The Welsh, well, aside from sheep, they don't really give us much, and rugby, players, ball maybe. Definitely a common theme there, John. Absolutely. Yeah, and I was right about MDPH. Just, I mean, went and did the old double top M pattern. Yeah. It broke me downward, and then it went straight back up again. Never quite know what's going on with this. But nice double bottom there. W shape. Yeah, I want to see it up at $4. Nice double bottom down there. And 320, 315. And we move back up to the highs. Not a great day for yeah, John. I hear you. I was keeping an eye on the market. Putting out to the Discord, but not really trading much. Oh, there's the $0.50. The $0.50 is a high on this candle. Can we get over 4? Got in at 20, down at the bottom there. If this goes up. clear a double bottom, no? Could you? May as well be the way for a chart. Actually. Or not. Yeah, well, let's see what happens at the open. Anybody see Nvidia? Nvidia's move yesterday. Whoa! Have a quick look at while this is moving. Move it. Nvidia yesterday. Huge move. So finished down here on what are we? Thursday today. Finished down here on Tuesday, down at like 103. So a little over $1,000 in old money before the split, and it just moved up after the close on Tuesday. It just rocketed out the open, and continued back up to 119s as we are right now. Will it continue? That's a good question. Nvidia, will it continue up today? I hope so. You all know. I think highly of Nvidia. I was actually considering if it broke 100, I was considering taking some of my position off and buying something that's a little bit more bullish. But it just rallied, so I'm sticking with it. Let's have a look at Nova. Nova Energy. Does this have a catalyst? Find out. Oh, Q2 financials. That was yesterday evening after hours, but it's continuing. Oh, John, it's moving on good on good news. It reported earnings, good earnings yesterday, so it popped up as you can see here. Popped up yesterday, and it's moving up on earnings. So let's have a look at the action. No volume though. Not great volume. It's just good earnings results. Where do you think the market's going to finish today? Let's have a quick look at the SPY. It's going to be a bull market today or a bear market? It's there at 8:30, 8:32. So not liking those unemployment numbers, I guess. It's up nice today. After a couple of weeks of bearish activity, a bit of a correction, a bit of a pullback, and that was followed by a lot of the other stocks. So people who bought into Nvidia after the stock split and it rallied, and then they're all like, "Wow, hang on a minute, it's pulling back now. It's approaching the stock split numbers." I'm like, "Yeah, but look at the market. Following the market, it's not Nvidia's performance that's driving that. It's the whole market's in that direction. So when the market's in that direction, it's just trading with the market. And it's not just Nvidia, but other stocks as well, Microsoft, Amazon, whatever. If they're trading with the market, you know it's not a fundamental problem. It's just a moment in time. Let's go back to BBLG. Take that $0.50. Over the $0.50 now. Hold. No worries, throw it. See you too, buddy. I'm still in this from 20. It breaks below the 20. I'll get out. It's been holding the 9 fairly well and not crossed the 20, and it's bounced back up. So I'm just going to hold it. If it breaks the 20, I'll get out. There it goes. Like, shoulders-ish. And not a lot moving, guys. Let me know what you're watching. Yeah. I think I'm just going to trade to the open. Swing to the open. I'm not feeling too good at the minute. Jimmy International, EMI, MII, MI, EIMI, International penny stock. Been sold off a couple of days hard. Is this going to be a bounce? Huge move. A huge gap to filter in, kind of 120, 130. Serve Robotics has been moving, what, nearly $18 now. Interesting stock. In fact, anything. Tech Robotics, I think robotics is the new AI. You know, the catchphrase, buzzwords, whatever. I don't know why. IMI International, it's got good volume. Prescription OTC and traditional Chinese medicines. I think it's another one of those Chinese stocks. So I think we're getting a bit of a surge in Chinese stocks that have no news. Be careful with some of these. Absolutely, dude. That's why I've been looking at my trading, and I've been struggling this year. I know, and I've highlighted why I've been struggling. It's been that sub $3 range. I've been taking a lot of trades between $2 and $3, and they've not been paying off. And even if I've got profitable with them, they've just been stressful trying to trade them. So I'm going back to I was looking at how I found it so easy the previous couple of years. I had that $3 rule, and I just dispensed with that this year for some strange reason. So I'm going back to that $3 rule. Indeed, Ricky. I know my sweet spot is kind of 5 to 25, so I don't even know why I'm looking at $2 stocks. I think we had that quiet period at the end of last year where anything that was moving, there was never, we didn't get many stock breaking out. They've gone up from like $1.50 up to like $2.80. So, and there was nothing else between kind of $3 and $6 or whatever. So the only thing moving was these $2 stocks that were choppy as hell. So I think that's probably why. I think be a bit more disciplined in stock selection is what I need to do. Cheers, thanks, Ricky. Don't see breaking highs again. Over 360 now. Go. Oh. No volume on that one. Volume or range on that one. Okay. Hey. Hey Ricky, where did it go the past few weeks? Ireland and back? Had some issues then. My former life had to address. Well, it's making a M pattern on the larger time frames, 5 and 15. Can we get there? $4 is what we're looking for. Who knows? Maybe BBLG will be one of those stocks that goes up to $7 today. Hopefully. And 24 there last week. The stock. Yeah, it did the same. Actually, it moved up at the gapped up at the last week. It gapped up quite considerably. It was a gap and go. And then it pulled back hard. It went up to 424, opened at just over $2, whereas previously it was like a little over $1. So it was like, what, about 80% up, and then it continued to move up. So hopefully we'll get a nice gap and go. Serve Robotics just dumped. It is, Bobby. Yes, it is. Look at this on the hourly time frame. Last week, there you go. So it moved up pre-market. Then it got all the way up, came back down, and sold the rest of the day. So up to like 420, 428. 424, sorry, was the high. That was last week. Let's see. Right at all. Uzi. Like that. The breakout. 1 minute. Go 30.75, new high of day. What was it? 370. 72 high of day, so broke the new high of day, and it keeps going. Smaller crowd today. Well, what did I expect after actually thinking, why am I feeling so hot? I've got the air conditioning blowing, like literally blowing at me. I'm feeling warm. Keel over and pass out. Someone call the emergency services for me. Yeah, well, it struggled at the $0.50 till it passed it. But it is holding that 9/20 EMA. Let's see. I'm not gonna give that. As far I can get. Yeah, the MACD's been close. It's been close all along for up and down, up and over. There's not been a wide gap with the MACD since it first popped. Popped up originally. Then we got decent movement on the MACD. I've always used MACD, Ricky. I've got a tutorial on how to use MACD, and if you go into my tutorials there, I've got a tutorial on how to use it there from about 3 years ago. 2 or 3 years ago, posted that. RSI. Occasionally use that. I usually use the RSI when I'm looking for reversals. Bollinger Bands. I was up late yesterday because I stayed up for the FOMC and I was watching the Olympics. Then I got up early this morning to watch the Liverpool-Arsenal game in the US. I've not a lot of sleep and I'm feeling it. I think my head's not right, so I'll probably end the stream a little bit early. So I'll give it till just before the Open, and then you're on your own for the Open, guys. Yeah, I still made that mistake. Good. I still do it, but it depends on how because sometimes it crosses over and it goes below, but the overall, you never should trust one. Always in association with other signals. You never trust a single signal on its own, because it's not reliable. in conjunction with multiple data sets, then you can get a better reliability. I'm still always taking trades that I shouldn't do. It was going to the MACD. I like that analogy, dude. Hey, Thomas, I like that analogy. I'm going to steal that one. Thanks, buddy. You've got it in moderation, though, to say the least. So, yeah, you want to be, you want multiple data sets, but you don't want your charts messy. You don't want too much information is as bad as too little. This is neither, Bobby. This is a competition account. I'm doing 4 different competitions at the moment. So, this morning at the moment, well, I'm 3,600 up on Nvidia. Still in that one, and about 4K up on today. $3,300 up realized on a couple of stocks on the bull run. I've not traded the short selling account or the penny stock account yet. But that's all simulated. It's all simulated cash. That's just like I say, competition. It's simulated cash, not. I'll caveat this. This is not a live account right now. Selling off hard. What's going on with Serve Robotics? They just maybe it's not bringing something. 50%. Oh. Yeah. Well, they filed, so Serve Robotics filed an offering with the SEC yesterday. S1. But be careful with Serve Robotics. That's probably what's happening to them right now. There you go. BBLG, the MACD crossed over, and it's went back up and testing the highs again. Double topping up here, so just be careful. I'm waiting for it to break a new high of day. Right now, the high of day is 376. Well, that $0.75 level. I telling me right now. Ibuprofen or something. Roblox pulling back. Earnings today. Tesla dumping. What's going on with Tesla? Wow. Our education selling off too. I'm just kind of reading some of the Elon Musk stuff. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna lock it up, guys. I'm not feeling well, so I'm gonna lock it up. I'm gonna give it an early bath. Good luck for the Open. Wish you all the best. Hopefully you will be profitable, and I'll see you guys. Hopefully I'll be feeling much better, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm just not feeling well right now, guys. So feeling lightheaded and stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.